Second, hold on there. Because if another truck pass, I'm muting my mic. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, right. So, yes, that's that part of it. Right. I wanted to go through the scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3 business. So give me a minute while I try to work on that. Yes. So where was I? Yeah. Oh man, this is going to be a tough one because it's going to look weird. It's going to look very, very strange. But at the risk of it looking strange, why not? Let me do the ad source thing that I already showed you. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see it as of now. I'm just doing it right now. And I'm going to select my XSplit window only. There we go. Alright. So this is going to be it's a go weird. It's a go weird. So obviously I'm gonna have to expand this. Right. Now, if you do this here, you'll notice. Good God. Why? There we go. You see that? So if I want to at any point in time, switch scenes and things like that, then of course I can always, make use of that. So if I want to go into different segments, I can always put any, whether it is a YouTube video or just another video of mine that I've already recorded, you can just have them segmented by scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3, right? So by clicking on scene 2, it obviously takes you over to a different segment there. So I'm trying to go back to scene 1, and I literally clicked it like 5 days ago. So again, I apologize for the, what I call it now. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, you see, so that's how you toggle from the different segments that you want to create. So you can literally set up your show the way you want it. So you can use scene 1 as your intro. Then the video that you want to premiere, you put it in scene 2. And then, let's say, for example, in my case, let's say I'm reviewing The Blacklist and I want to talk about episode 7 and episode 8 of season 1. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have episode 7 queued up in scene 2. And I'm going to have, I'm going to have episode 8 queued up in scene 3. Or they can be both in scene 2. And then, of course, say, for example, I want to talk about 7 and 8 at once. Right? I can have them in scene 2. Then I can do 9 and 10 in scene 3. Nobody's stopping you from doing that. So, there we go. I'm trying my best to do this thing. I don't know what's going to be hidden at this point, because this thing is crazy delayed. Yeah, there we go. Oh my God. All right, let's try and bring something back. Let's see. So that come back. All right, hold on. There we go. See? So this is, the intro that I had recorded from another video. I think I want to find the original. I want to find the original so that I can actually create a brand new one, and then of course, have that uploaded. Oh, you want to see something fun? let's have some fun with this. Hold on. Let's have a little fun. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like I'm doing a live stream, which I'm not. But I'm trying to return to form. So what I want to do is I want to make a video that's helpful. Basically doing a bit of a how-to video. of how I've done some of the videos that I have elected to do for some of the pages that I run, like Bossman Cinema, by example. And funny, a lot of what I've been doing for Bossman Cinema is similar to what I used to do when I was, and I'm going to be using that example. When I was watching a lot of battle rap, I used to use this right here.
5, 4,
Oh,
3,
okay, fine.
2, 1. Hello, Jordan Peter.
You want like a podcast when, let's say, for example, a brand new intro just pop up on your screen while you're recording, or you can use the YouTube tab or window, or you can just do a smart selection, right? One as one intro that you're using. I don't know. So a situation where you don't have internet access and there's some videos that you really want to discuss, some videos you really want to capture and talk about, kind of content you're going to. I'm going to show you like you want to, right?
Person audience, but it's not, because if you pay attention to the audience, they're constantly, and the individuals in the audience, they're constantly providing feedback.
It could be a local video on your laptop. It will give me the option now to go to desktop capture. You can use smart